Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account and data are completely removed. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account using your web browser. Go to facebook.com and enter your email and password credentials. Step 2. Click on the down arrow in the top right corner of Facebook and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose Settings, then click on Your Facebook information in the left sidebar to access account management options. Step 4. Click on Deactivation and Deletion to see options for temporarily deactivating or permanently deleting your account. Step 5. Select Permanently Delete Account and click Continue to Account Deletion. Note that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone after 30 days. Step 6. Enter your password when prompted and complete any security checks such as CAPTCHA verification to confirm your identity. Step 7. Click Delete Account to initiate the deletion process. Facebook will give you a 30-day grace period during which you can cancel by logging in. Step 8. Avoid logging into Facebook, Messenger, or using Facebook login on other apps for 30 days. After this period, your account and data will be permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.